And that's the DIY bracelet. Put away. Go itty bitty. Good. Okay, let's eat it. No. That is so crispy. Please not foresight in the caption. What is it? This good? Hey, I don't know. Oh my god. Woo! That's God push us. Woo! Why? Let's get that out. Oh. Singer is missing. Oh, good. I stopped lagging. Let's go.
Mga pritong ulam?
No, not that.
Idali gawin kay sarap with Mama Sita's barbecue marinade. All you need is K1. Babad lang, prito lang. K na K ang pritong bangus. Wow! Pritong chicken barbecue. O pritong yempo. K sarap! K sarap, kay dali. All you need is Mama Sita's barbecue at K1. Mama Sita's!
I know this isn't James. You are not Sarah, but you pretend to be. Why? I needed him to trust me. We needed him to trust us. Interesting. How's that interesting? Explain. Well, this is crazy, guys. What the heck? Many choices do not matter. Not as much as we think, anyway. But this next choice you make may. What do you mean? Who am I talking to? James would not type like that. That's why I didn't choose the second one right there. That's James, alright. He's got James. What's going on? Share this link with another. Anyone, everyone. Or say goodbye to a brief acquaintance. You have 2 minutes. What? How do I share this? What do you mean? How do I share this? Why are you doing this? What? No, Iris is talking to me. Hang on a sec. Don't share the link. I'm not sharing the link. No way. Iris is telling me not to. I'm not sending it. No, I'm listening to Iris right now. He sent another photo. Oh boy, this ain't good. I don't know what to do, man. If I share that link, it's bad. It's real bad. I'm gonna wait this out, man. Okay, this is getting crazy now. This is like, he's gonna kill the dude. Let's talk to Iris. What else can I do? Good question. What really can we do in this situation right here? Come on, Iris. You've got to give us an answer. Offline. James sent a photo. What the heck? What is that? I can't make out what's going on.
James.
What the heck? Don't share the link. Wait, is he dead? Wait, hold up. There's the blade. You can see the blade right there. James is dead, man. Why did you do that? What the heck? He's talking to us through this one now. It's me again. That confirms it. It's the same guy now. I apologize for not introducing myself. How rude of me. Who the hell are you? Come on, reveal your identity, man. Or something about you. Your appearance was not expected, but here you are nonetheless. My name is Iruzu. I am one of the, how do you say, leaders for tonight's ceremony. We have met on a very fortunate night. Cherish this moment, my stranger friend. Are you crazy? You just killed someone, man! He did! He just murdered someone! Me? Kill? Never. Do not take me as a lowly murder. Please do not misunderstand my intentions. Then why? The dude was dead. You can see like the blood trickling from him. As I said before, I do not kill. And that man was anything but poor. He was a deceiver. Deceiver? How so? You will never be privy to that information, my young friend, nor will you need it to further your quest. Quest? What is this? Good question. What quest are we even on? Where are my manners? I have told you my name, but not what I do. I fear that my age has somewhat dulled me to these. Simple talk. Small talk, as you call it. It does not matter much what I do, but what's important for you to know, my young friend, is that you, like everyone else in this world, you have a choice. I am here to offer you that choice. You didn't offer the choice to James. What choice? The choice is simple, yet not. So, it's not simple. Just tell me, come on. We just want to know what this choice is you're speaking of, man. Would you like to join us? I believe you have the potential. It is rare for me to offer this to someone who is uninitiated. Yes, no. Simple, yet not. No, I don't want to join this sick cult. We just watched you murder someone. What if life itself was in the balance? Say these two young, ravishing women. That's Sarah. That's her friend. Memo closed, find Sarah. You choose between them who lives to see the sunrise tomorrow. How do I choose, you maniac? You said you do not kill! He did! What the heck is going on? But I do not. It is not my choice. Sacrifice is not the act of pure destruction. It is merely a transformation. Life is perpetual. I leave it up to you. God himself makes these decisions all the time, does he not? Why not ease some of the work for him, or her, or it, whatever it is that your God is? Sarah or Faith, their names mean nothing to you, but to us, they are what binds them to this flesh and mud. Say one of their names and know that it will be their last breath. There is no sweeter invite than a last breath to welcome you. One passes and another comes. What say you? This is insane. I love